Boom. Listen, not long left until I leave Ghana. And it's emotional. It's emotional. However, it's not the end. It's not the end. I am off to do a tour. It's with Cycy Travels, that's for sure. We're going to go to the Waterfall, beautiful, stunning waterfall. We're going to go to Aburi Botanical Gardens. We're going to go to the first cocoa factory in Ghana. Now, if anyone knows about chocolate, Ghana is one of the biggest exporters when it comes to cocoa and chocolate. All right. So we're going to see the first factory in Ghana. And that's it, really. I mean, I'm ready. I'm ready for the day. It's slowly coming to an end, and I'm upset. I'm sad, but I'm gonna try and have some fun. Check out the trip, though. Serious? We're not gonna get there, man. We're not gonna go there. But listen, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Come on, let's go see what the waterfall is about. Still.
Okay. Please, let's go. So welcome to Asenema Waterfall. It's one of the most accessible waterfalls in Ghana. Most of the waterfalls you'd have to hike or walk for like an hour before getting there. But this one is 5 minutes walk and you are there. And it's also, I would say, the most private I've been to. So you mostly not have anyone there. You can take your pictures and have your own free time over there. So, yeah,
it's too long, Cycy. 5 minutes is too long.
5 minutes
I'm
is
joking.
Okay, we're making a move. We're on our way to this waterfall. It's a 5-minute trek. People that know me know that I'm not a trek guy. I'm sleeping on the thing. My hair's a bit flat, man. But let's see what happens. This is Asenema Waterfall. It's one of the hidden gems in the rainforest of the Akuapem Hills, about an hour outside of Accra, north of the Aburi region. There are many waterfalls in the eastern region, but Asenema, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's stunning. Taking lots of pictures, trying to find the money shop. It's not easy. It's not easy trying to find a money shop. I think we got it. We got it. Woo! 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 Hey! Ajay! It's cold. It's cold. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, the better video shot, you know. Woo! Mad. Come on. Yeah, yeah, conquered my fears and that. Light work, light work, light work, light work, light work. Woo! Man, how beautiful is this though? Madness. Madness. Come on. Yeah, yeah. Man's out here, man. Cocoa farm and that, pins and needles, but we move.
It's a fit. Was that hit your feet?
No, do you know what? I was sitting awkwardly, yeah, pins and needles, but we're here. Ghana Tetteh Quarshie cocoa farm. So this is the first ever cocoa farm, yeah? Vibes. His name is Tetteh Quarshie. He is responsible for the introduction of cocoa crops to Ghana, which today constitutes one of the major export crops of the Ghanaian economy.
So if you don't like it, okay. So we are here. This is cocoa tree, and cocoa starts from the base. You see, we have other fruits planted at any time they are ready for harvest. Let's say orange, mangoes. When they are ready for harvest, you can sometimes climb them and cut them. But cocoa is the only tree that you don't climb them, because they start from the trunk. Every part of cocoa tree develop cocoa. See this flower? It's cocoa. They grow in stages. So they go to this stage, that stage, the big one, then they'll change from green to yellow, meaning they are ready for harvest. So we don't climb cocoa tree. So we have this thing that we used to harvest them. Anytime the pods are ready for harvest, this is what we used to harvest them. So it goes like this. So this one is ready.
7 days.
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
You don't chew it, you lick around it.
I love this.
Don't chew it.
You lick around it, yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting hybrid technique.
Very good. Very nice. It's a sweet, tangy, yeah, definitely.
You get the cocoa from the pot like this. You cover it firmly. We all know fermentation starts with darkness. I told you it takes how many days to do the fermentation?
7.
And it goes like
3.
3, 2.
okay. So this is first 3 days. Okay.
Just like that.
Just like that, you cover it. So you cover it for the first 3 days. You come back to your farm, you take the sticks and stones, I round it off. There is this thing that binds the beans together. So for the first 3 days, you come back to the farm, you take them off. You heap them again. You cover it for how many days again? 2 days, okay. You come back to your farm, take it off. You see that the surface of the beans will change from white to brown. But because it's a heap fermentation, when you go in 2-3 inches, that place will be zero fermented. Because that place, there is no oxygen. So you need to mix them again because you need uniform fermentation. So you mix them again, you cover it for the last 2 days. So for the last 2 days, make it 7 days. The moment you enter your farm, you start getting some smell like chocolate kind of scent. That will tell you that you have a good fermentation. So you come back, take them off, you see that all the beans will change from white to brown. Yes. Oh, the beans. Smell it and see.
Oh yeah, it smells. You can smell the chocolate. You can definitely smell the chocolate. I want to eat it.
Yeah, you chew it.
Oh, you can eat it.
Yes. You chew it. And also,
You like it?
Very bitter though.
Yeah.
Very bitter. Goodness me. The early stage. This is dark. Yeah. This is the healthy chocolate. You know what I mean? No sugar.
okay,
No sugar.
let's see something here. The reason why our beans is quality than any other cocoa beans in the world. Please, what is the color of purple?
What is that?
Okay. I told you the Ivorians would divide because they don't do fermentation. Ghana, after the fermentation, you will not get the purple color. It will change from purple to a little bit brown. But after you dry it well, the inner color is supposed to be dark brown. And that is what those who use the beans for their product said very much. So after they even put this in oven, after they put it in oven like this, when you open inside, there still will be a purple color because we will use sunlight to dry our beans, so we get the cocoa. Also, cocoa, we don't throw anything away from cocoa. When the pods are fresh like this, we give it to pig, sheep, cows as feed. And when they change to this color, this is what we use for our black soup. Yeah, we locally call it alata Asenema. So this is what we use to do it. So actually, yeah, you get it more. You burn it to ashes. You add 1 or 2 stuff to it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm off to have some chocolates now.
This is Aburi Botanical Gardens. It's a garden in Aburi
in eastern region of Ghana. It was opened in March 1890. First things first, time for kebab. This is the holy grail of street food in Ghana. It's a grilled meat skewer that is common and popular in Ghana. It is prepared by coating the meat in what is called suya, which is a spice mix. It is a mixture of dried hot peppers, dried ginger, dried onions, other spices, and toasted peanut flour. The meat is then threaded onto a skewer and often interspersed with onions or bell peppers, and it is then grilled.
What we having right now, my brother?
Having beef sausage.
Yeah.
On the grill.
On the grill,
Suya
yeah.
spice.
Suya spice.
Amazing.
Yeah?
Amazing.
Bruv, I've never tried this. You know, I always go for like the goat meat.
Really?
You know?
Same.
Yeah.
Same. Actually, they didn't have the goat meat when I first tried it.
Yeah,
so I said,
yeah.
let me try this, and I fell in love
And
with it.
okay, cool. Man's
Ever
gonna
since
try
then.
some.
I'm gonna try the beef sausage.
Oh my god.
Ah,
Bro, what have I been doing?
what? You cannot forget the beef sausage. Serious, isn't it? 4 CDs.
Oh man,
You can't go wrong.
you can't go wrong, bro.
Aburi Botanical Gardens is one of 1,800 botanic gardens leading the fight to save plant diversity through research and conservation of medicinal plants, from aloe vera to jackfruit to even the leaves they use to serve wache in, to this.
Very sweet. It tastes like the almond.
Oh wow.
Yes, so if it's not mature, the mouth is closed. As soon as the nut inside matures, then it's open by itself.
And it will start falling naturally.
Yes, and then here we have squirrels, so they also go in there to eat it. Squirrels.
Oh, okay.
We call it monkey pot. Monkey pot because places where we have monkeys, they also eat it. And monkeys will enter into the pot with their heads. So after eating, they will not be able to stand. So they have the pot on their head doing that. So they gave it that name, monkey pot.
Use for something.
So you can have a fill of it.
It's like a calabash. It's massive.
Wow.
And it's naturally protected.
Yes, it's natural.
This is like wood, right?
Yes, it's wood. It's not concrete.
It's not it's wood.
It's wood. Yes.
It's strong wood though.
Yes.
Yeah, very strong. You can actually store water.
Botanically, we say it's their modification.
Store water.
So what do people use it for? Like,
Oh, we use it for flower pot. You can put in your soil and then have
And then
it
you
planted
grow your
in it.
plants.
Yes. So right now we don't have the seeds in them, so they will all drop. New pots will develop with new seeds.
Wow.
Yes.
So a tree makes that. A tree
do you
makes
have any
this.
of the nuts?
The nut.
I think this tree has been even buried.
600.
600 years.
Yes.
No.
People are not listening.
600.
What happened?
Serious.
This tree. That's why
Yes,
I fell
but
now.
they're so
Cycy, where are you? What's going on?
Yeah, Hillbury Resort.
Yeah.
It's one of the best resorts in the Eastern region.
The best.
Yeah, I'll say it's the best.
Wow. And you're saying it's got views are incredible.
Mad.
Mad views. Serious arrangements. When you find serious arrangement. You see that. You see that. You see this. Oh man, I can't wait to tuck it. I'm starving. Look at this. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm starving. Let's get this going. Let's get this show on the road. Look at that. Let's go. Let's go. Bit of jollof there. Come on. Bit of prawns there. Bit of salad. Bit of shito. Let's go. What's your favorite meal? What's your favorite meal?
It has to be Jellof.
That's is it?
It's Jellof, yeah. It has to be Jellof.
Nothing. No fufu.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Well, I like fufu, but I mean, as for my favorite,
Yeah.
that's my favorite.
Really?
Yeah, the Jellof rice is my favorite.
Okay.
I do a fufu, but you know,
Hillbury.
Hillbury Resort.
What is it? Tell us more about Hillbury. What is it about Hillbury? What makes Hillbury Aburi?
Okay, so one thing that makes Aburi, so special is, it's in a mountainous area, right?
Yeah.
So you get to get the best views. I mean, Aburi offers the best views in Ghana here. Just like Cycy was telling you. I mean, if you really want to invest in property, this is the right place for you to invest in property.
Really?
Exactly.
Why?
Just
Why?
look at the view.
Why is it booming? Yeah, I mean it's
Just look
stunning.
at the view. Just look at the view. It's so
Why
amazing.
is it booming? Why is the property booming here? Why is there a lot of development going on here? What's going on?
All right, sure. So, Accra is already choked, right?
Yeah.
There are no lands, unless maybe some of the rural part,
Yeah.
the rural part of Accra that has, how do I put it, lands.
Right.
Yeah, and then most of the lands in Accra too are full of disputes, chieftaincy. One chief can sell one land to maybe different people, I mean, over here, the lands are there.
Right.
You get it?
Yeah.
You get a big, plot of land. And then I think it's quite cheaper as compared to that of Accra. Because, Accra is the capital.
That's right.
You get it? Accra is the
So it's
capital.
busy.
But exactly. So everyone is actually moving to Accra for greener pastures. You get it? So over here, so I think, let me say, if this is going to cost you, let's say 5 cities in Accra, when you come here, you get it like at a very cheaper price.
Rate.
You
Yes,
get it?
yes,
Because, this is different. Accra is the city, and this is also a different place.
That's right.
Yeah, so that's why most people, this place is actually booming. Because the cost of living here is actually cheaper. As compared to. I think now. How's it taste? Like it?
That with a combination of hunger makes it taste sweeter. I mean,
yeah, no, that's exactly what.
Serious arrangements. So, Let me get them. That's it. That's the end of the road with Cycy. I'm terribly upset. It's sad. It's sad times. 2 trips with Cycy. I'm gonna miss you. She's a great travel consultant. Great tour guide as well.